supports multiple files for data analysis, such as Excel, PyTables, Clipboard, HTML, Pickle, DTA, SAS, SQL, JSON, and CSV. These files can be read and written with the help of methods like read method and to method. Read method indicates the ability to read a file type, and to method indicates an ability to write a particular file. Let's look at a few SQL operations using Pandas and in-memory database SQLite 3. In this example, we imported the required Pandas libraries and SQLite 3. Then, prepare an SQL statement to create a table. The table name is student score, and in the parentheses we have column names followed by the data type of the columns. The connect method is used to connect with SQLite 3 memory database. Execute command is used to execute the create table SQL command. The commit method completes the transactions and creates the table. Let's form an SQL query to fetch the data from the table. Again, the execute method is used to execute the SQL, and the fetchFall method is used to fetch the result from the table. Since the table is empty, it returns an empty list. In the next slide, we'll see how to insert data into a table using SQL commands. Let's prepare a SQL statement to insert values into the table. In this example, we'll insert 4 records. The question marks in the insert statement is a syntax for the insert statement. We use the execute many method to insert multiple records into the table. Finally, we use the commit method to complete the transaction and insert the values. Let's create an SQL query as shown here. Then, fetch all the records from table using the fetchFall method. The result set shows all the records present in the table. Now, let's create a data frame to store the result set into a data frame. The zip method puts the columns together and records get stored as observations in the Pandas data frame. Let's import the Pandas library and read the CSV file using the Pandas read CSV method. Now view the shape of the dataset. It tells you that it has 83 observations and 42 columns or features. Next, view the first 5 records to understand the dataset better. Then, view the columns present in the dataset. Let's create a new data frame by filtering out only the required columns. View the object name and the first 5 records using head method. Let's replace all the NaN values present in the fatal flag column with no. Now, view the first 5 records again to see if the no appears in place of NaN for the fatal flag column. View the shape of the dataset again. It has 83 observations. Let's drop the observations which don't have the aircraft name mentioned in the dataset. View the shape of the dataset. You can see that 5 records are dropped. Let's group the dataset by aircraft name. Next, view the aircraft using the size method. Then, group the dataset by fatal flag. Next, view the fatal accident size. Select the accidents with fatality with fatal flag yes. Finally, view the accidents with fatality. Let's import the Pandas library and read the CSV file using Pandas read CSV method. Next, view the contents of the data. Then, view the first 5 records with the head method. View the data statistics using the describe method. Next, view the columns of the dataset with the .columns method. View the index of the FDN dataset. Count the dataset records with the count method. View the data type, which will return the output as facility name, facility address, and borough, along with the data type as object. Select FDNY information by grouping borough. Then, view the FDNY information for each borough with the size method. Next, select FDNY information for Manhattan.